I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can enjoy matcha not only to drink but also on your skin. The first recipe, it's a warm drink. All you have to do is whisk your matcha to remove any clumps. You're going to add hot water but not boiling. Whisk it. Add some water if you don't want it too strong. And that's all you have to do. In case you want some sweetness, you can add some agave. This matcha cold drink, it's so easy and so delicious. All you have to do is grab some ice cubes, some coconut water of your choice, fill the rest of the jar with the whisked matcha, and you can have it as it is. And the color is so beautiful, it's ready to enjoy, but you can blend it all together so that the sweetness evens out. It's so delicious and so refreshing. And the last recipe, it's a matcha face mask. All you need is 2 teaspoons plant-based yogurt, half teaspoon agave, and 1/8 teaspoon matcha green tea powder. Mix all the ingredients into a smooth paste, apply it to your clean, dry skin, and leave the mask on your face between 10 to 15 minutes. Then wash it off with warm water and you will get soft skin. You can follow with your regular skincare routine. This is the specific matcha green tea powder that I used, which is GMO-free, organic, sugar-free, and you can screenshot the recipes for easy reference. Until next time, bye!